Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of kitchen organization. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with cluttered countertops, overflowing cabinets, or struggling to find that one elusive spice, this video is for you. We're going to share 10 fantastic tips that will transform your kitchen into a well-organized and efficient space. So let's jump right in. 1. Declutter and categorize. The first step in organizing your kitchen is to declutter and categorize. Take a look at all your kitchen items and ask yourself, do I really need this? If the answer is no, it's time to say goodbye. Categorize the remaining items into groups like cooking utensils, bakeware, and dinnerware. 2. Utilize vertical space. Vertical space is often underutilized in the kitchen. Installing shelves, hooks, or a pegboard on your walls can be a game changer. Hang your pots and pans, store cutting boards and aprons on hooks, or create a stylish spice rack on a pegboard. 3. Group similar items together. Creating designated zones for similar items is key to an organized kitchen. Keep all your baking supplies in one area, your spices and oils in another, and so on. When you're in the mood for baking, you'll know exactly where to find your measuring cups, mixing bowls, and baking sheets. Plus, it's easier to take inventory and avoid buying duplicates. 4. Invest in drawer dividers and organizers. Drawer dividers and organizers are a lifesaver when it comes to keeping your kitchen drawers tidy. Use them to separate utensils, cutlery, and other small kitchen tools. No more rummaging through a jumbled mess just to find a spoon. 5. Optimize cabinet space. Make the most of your cabinet space by using stackable shelves or risers. These allow you to create multiple layers within a single cabinet, making it easier to access and organize your pots, pans, and dishes. Now you can see all my bakeware at a glance without having to move heavy stacks around. 6. Use clear containers for pantry items. Transferring pantry staples into clear containers not only keeps your pantry visually appealing, but it also helps with organization. You can easily see what you have at a glance, preventing items from going stale. 7. Label everything. Labeling is a game changer in kitchen organization. Use labels on containers, spice jars, and even shelves to ensure everything has a designated spot and is easy to find. No more confusion or wasted time searching for that one elusive spice. 8. Create a meal planning area. Designate a space in your kitchen for meal planning and recipe organization. Use a whiteboard, chalkboard, or corkboard to display your weekly menu, shopping lists, and favorite recipes. This not only keeps you organized but also adds a touch of creativity to your kitchen. 9. Make use of the back of cabinet doors. Don't forget about the back of your cabinet doors. Install hooks or small organizers to hold items like pot lids, measuring cups, or cutting boards. This takes advantage of unused space and keeps frequently used items within reach. 10. Regular maintenance and reevaluation. Last but not least, set aside time regularly to maintain your organized kitchen. Clean out your refrigerator, pantry, and cabinets, and reevaluate your organization system to see if any adjustments are needed. Our needs change over time, so it's essential to adapt. By staying on top of maintenance, you'll prevent clutter from piling up again. Make it a habit to do a quick decluttering session every month, and it keeps the kitchen in top shape. And there you have it. 10 tips to help you transform your kitchen into an organized oasis. I hope you found these tips helpful. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!